Are you struggling to track survey submissions and monitor field teams across multiple locations in real time? With MAPOG, organizations can track survey submissions and manage fieldwork through a centralized map-based dashboard designed specifically for location-based operations. Start by opening story.mapog.com and going to Open Workspace under the Operations and Planning section. From the Surveys section, select the survey you're working on. After setting up campaign details, creating questionnaires, uploading survey locations, and assigning users, launch the survey by clicking on Start Survey. Field teams can then access assigned tasks through the MAPOG Contributor app. Team members can view map locations or add new ones directly from the field using the Found New Location option. They simply select the location on the map, place a point to confirm it, fill in the required details, and complete the survey form with all gathered information. Submissions can either be saved as drafts or submitted directly for review. As submissions start coming in, managers can monitor everything through the Overview and Insights sections. The dashboard provides a real-time visual representation of survey activity using different status indicators such as pending, drafted, submitted, accepted, and reopened. This makes it much easier to monitor field progress, identify delays, and understand operational status across multiple teams and locations. Organizations can also export survey data as CSV files or add it directly as layers on maps for further analysis and reporting. In the Review section, admins can validate submissions, verify location details, update statuses, and add feedback wherever required. The table view also allows teams to filter submissions based on status, assigned members, or distance, making large-scale survey management much easier and more organized. With MAPOG, survey tracking, field monitoring, and data validation all work together in one centralized platform, helping organizations improve coordination, maintain accurate field data, and make faster operational decisions. If you need help with survey setup, map analysis, GIS workflows, or location-based data management, feel free to contact support at mapog.com anytime.